Why don't most countries have their own fighter jets? The answer is price. The F-16, the modern standard for aerial supremacy, can cost upwards of $70 to $80 million per unit, and that doesn't even cover maintenance and operational costs. This is where the Gripen comes in. Numerous countries are looking at Sweden's Gripen as an alternative to the United States' costly F-16, despite there only being a $10 million difference between the two. The Gripen is cheaper to operate, and it's arguably just as effective. Here's why the Gripen might be the fighter jet for all. The JAS-39 Gripen is a lightweight, single-engine fighter jet manufactured by Swedish aerospace company Saab AB. Originally introduced in 1996, it can more than keep up with newer jet designs. Its latest iteration, the Gripen JAS-39E/F, comes with all the bells and whistles associated with modern fighter jets, including 30% more fuel capacity for extended range, the Leonardo ES-05 Raven active electronically scanned array radar, and the Leonardo Skyward G sensor for infrared searching and tracking. Couple this with its air-to-air refueling capability and a peak high-altitude speed of Mach 2, and you have a versatile fighter jet capable of taking on a wide range of missions. Thanks to its updated terrain navigation systems, it can also fend off enemy attempts to interfere with its radar and navigational systems. Its nav systems utilize Maxar's precision 3D registration technology, as well as non-classified satellite imagery to generate realistic 3D images of the Earth to aid in navigation. During times of conflict, the Gripen's flexibility allows it to take on a multitude of combat situations. In fact, the Gripen was the first fighter in the world to carry the Meteor air-to-air missile, a weapon that can track and kill targets beyond visual range, up to 80 miles away. It can also be fitted with a host of armaments, such as other air-to-air missiles, long-range standoff missiles, air-to-surface missiles, and a single Mauser BK-27 cannon. Combined, it can carry up to 14,330 pounds of armaments and equipment during its missions. The Gripen can compete with other fighter jets, whether it's in a dogfight or it sets out to bombard enemy naval forces with air-to-ground missiles. The Gripen even features an advanced cyber warfare suite, allowing it to jam enemy radar. This suite enables it to detect incoming missile strikes, as well as possess limited stealth capabilities, whether in the air, on water, or on land. It's a true multi-role fighter. Despite its premium features, the Gripen is relatively cheap to operate and maintain. It features an estimated cost per flight hour of $4,700. That's almost half the cost of the next cheapest jet to operate, the F-16. Not only is the Gripen relatively cheap to maintain, but it's also reliable. In fact, the Gripen has been designed to deliver high performance over a lifespan of 30 to 40 years. The planes are designed with a modular open architecture platform that can be easily adapted and upgraded for future technology that doesn't necessarily have to be built in-house. Its flexibility, cost, performance, and reliability make the Gripen an incredibly alluring option for countries looking to upgrade and future-proof their aging fleets. The JAS-39 Gripen now serves in 6 air forces and is competitively bidding to serve in a dozen more. Aside from its native Sweden, the Gripen is also in use by the Czech Republic, South Africa, Thailand, Hungary, and Brazil. The United Kingdom also has used the Gripen in the past, but mostly for advanced air training purposes. Canada, Croatia, India, and the Philippines are just some of the countries looking to the Gripen as a means of bolstering their aerial forces. For some, the Gripen offers the opportunity to truly modernize their fleets. With all of its features and its cost-effectiveness, you might just see a Gripen take to the skies in your country very soon.